Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair looks crusty, like crusty, but in this video I'm going to be moisturizing my hair and putting my hair in cornrows. I want to wear a wig, so I want my hair to be flat, so that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. But first, before you keep on watching, support me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Make sure you turn on your bell notification, that's like a bell like button, so you know each time that I drop a video. All right, let's get into the video. So guys, on my crusty hair, as you can see, the first thing I'm gonna do is put some water on my hair. This is just to help with the moisturizing process, to soften the hair. I prefer to braid my hair on damp hair or wet hair because it helps me with the breakage. It helps me minimize the amount of shed hair I'll end up having. Yeah, so I'm just spritzing my hair with water till it's a bit damp. Next, I'll be using the DIDN leave-in conditioner, and I really like this conditioner because it makes my hair super soft and it helps strengthen my hair as well. After the leave-in conditioner, I'll be using the DIDN sherbet infused hair butter as well. I'm giving you guys a full LCO method here, alright? Just call this video how to moisturize your natural hair, because that's what I'm doing. Working the product into my hair from roots to ends, because these are cornrows, okay? You don't know how long you're gonna leave them for, so you want to leave that there. Next, I'm sealing all that product with the DIDN growth oil, just to seal in the moisture. And next, I'll be using a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. When you're doing braids or you're doing box braids, you need to detangle your hair, guys, so that it's easier and doesn't hurt. My hair is so coarse and like, especially at the roots, so I have to like detangle. As you can see, I'm detangling from my ends to the body of the hair. Just twisting that and putting that aside so that I can work on the other section. As you can see, spritzing my hair with water, soften it up, and I'm working the water into the body of my hair. I'm not just letting it sit. I'm basically repeating what I did on the other side, working in my product into my hair, using the praying method, as you can see, just to make sure that they penetrate my strands and they're not sitting on my hair. Followed by the butter, oil to seal in all that moisture. Next, I'm detangling my hair like I did in the other section, so that it's more easier and manageable to braid. You don't want to be in pain, trust me, you do not want to be in pain. So use a wide tooth comb or a brush, whatever works for you, to detangle your hair smoothly and thoroughly. After detangling, I'm also twisting it. So guys, it's braid time, cornrow time, blessing time. Let's get this done. Okay, as you can see, my hair looks better than it looked in the video because I've moisturized. So the first thing I do is section my hair with my hands. Like, I just don't use a tail comb first because my hair is coarse, so I'm trying to guide the tail comb. It's that deep, guys. So I get my tail comb, and this is when I start creating. I try my best to create a neat line, alright, to section the hair. So that's what I'm doing. Just trying my best. Like, my hair is kinky, like kinky 4C hair. It's not easy. Look at my muscles, guys. Because of I'm lining hair. Oh, can you imagine? Just imagine this. I'm just trying to get a neat part as best as I possibly can. You got this, Livia. Keep trying. So I'm just applying my growth oil to my scalp, and this is a kinky Nigerian growth oil, and it really helps my scalp. I'm telling you, it's so soothing. And I'm massaging it into the scalp with my fingers, and I'm also going to detangle again because I'm just trying to make sure that the hair is smooth and easier to braid. I know I detangled it when it was in a bigger section, but still I still go ahead to detangle it like so. Making sure I get the ends. So guys, what I do when I want to braid is I cut the front section and I divide it into 3 and I just weave it back. Like, it's not difficult. That 3 that I divided, I just keep taking it back and picking the rest of the hair. So that 3 in front is a guide. I'll show you again. Don't worry. Livia is here for you. You're going to learn how to cornrow by fire by force. I just keep braiding it downward and picking the remaining of the hair. That's all I do. And then when you get to the down part, it's just like you're doing a single braid. Like just individual braids, just the way you do that. There's no picking of the hair. That's how you do the bottom part. When I get to the ends, I like to twist it, and you'll see that I like to twist it because it's easier to take down, and twist is just easier to do. So I just twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. So guys, like I said, I first of all use my fingers to like section the hair just to help the tail comb, because like the work is plenty. See how kinky that hair is. Look at the muscle I need. As you can see, I'm using my tail comb to get the best possible line I can get, the best possible. It's not an easy something. It's not. Putting my growth oil on my scalp. Massaging it in. Detangling again with the comb. This just makes it easier for you, trust me. Cutting that front section, I therefore divide into 3 and I just keep taking it back, picking the rest of the hair, picking the body of the hair. I use the 3 in front as a guide. Just like that. It's real easy, guys, once you get the hang of it. Like, you should have seen my first ones. You think this is not so amazing? You should have seen the first stages when I first started cornrows in my hair. This is progress. I can do cornrows on other people's hair well, like perfect, but mine, let's just say, is a work in progress. It's a work in progress. When I get to the ends, I just twist it. Apply my growth oil again. I do this to every line. You don't want to have dry, itchy, flaky scalp. No, not under your wig. You don't want that. That's when you see people just banging their head. Come on, girl, get them. And when I'm doing my cornrows, I always leave brush. That's like a little space, an inch or two of space, because I don't want to pick my hair, little baby hairs. Like, I don't want to do that. It's like unnecessary tension and pressure. As you can see in my hair, there's like brush. That's what we call it here in Nigeria, brush. Like, you don't pick the beginning of the hair, you leave a little space and stuff. This helps protect your edges, and like I said, this is just for me to be able to wear my wig. So it's not like I'm rocking this outside, so it's not, I'm not trying to do it like perfectly, like to be tiny and making sure I get all my edges. Nah, I'm not trying to do that. Yup, I had to do the rest off camera. If not, we will sleep here. You want to sleep here? No. Yeah, almost done, guys. And the more you do it, guys, your hand will get better. Like you just get better. I advise you practice. It's not every day like you go to the salon for someone to do it for you. Just keep practicing, and before you know it, like, you're pro. As you can see, I'm dividing that front section, then I'm dividing into 3 like so, and then you just begin to take it back. You pick the hair as you're going backwards. You pick the hair. You use those 3 strands as a guide. Last but not the least, whoo, child, thank God. Yo,
twisting the ends, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, the front there's a lot of brush. Like I said, I don't want to pick my edges, not at all. I'm just going back with the oil and putting it on my scalp because I don't know how long I'm going to wear this wig, to be honest. But I just want everything to be moisturized and protected. Massaging oil into the scalp. This is what the back looks like, guys. I tried now. Give your girl an accolade. Clap for me. Wow, I did that.
So I'm done doing the braids, and let me tell you guys, I'm not the best hair braider. I feel like I should have been practicing. I don't remember the last time I braided my hair, but I knew that I needed to put my hair in a wig and I was gonna do it. So guys, yeah, this is the struggle cornrows. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at 4,000 subscribers, and it will mean so much to me if you subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notification button. That's the bell like button down there, so you know each time I drop a video. Okay guys, the muscle I've used, my arms are like my arms are hurting, but yeah, basically you can do it. Like, just keep trying, then your hand will get stronger. I can cornrow on other people's hair better than I can cornrow on my hair. I don't know why, but mine is never like that perfect or that neat, but on other people's hair is way better than this. Alright, till next time, bye guys. Yeah, before you go to bed, you need your satin scarf or bonnet. Okay, you don't want to go to bed if you don't scarf this kind of struggle braids. You'll be looking like you've been carrying this hair for 1 month tomorrow morning. So flex, endeavor that you have a satin scarf or bonnet on your cornrows, rather struggle cornrows, before you go to bed. Alright, don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.